This is the thing about the UK, the roads are so tight.
Come on! What up? You wouldn't move if I didn't do it. Move it! That's gotta be done else we go fucking nowhere.
It's been my burnout, and today we got this B6 S4.
Holy shit.
Fizzy, just pull in here a sec, I need to do something. Abdul, come, let's go.
Who's there, man?
Come on, bro.
What the hell, man? Fuck.
Ooh, very talky.
Very talky.
Yeah, she pulls
like a train.
Oh, go on, Fizzy. Oh my god. Oh, bucket came out sliding there, boys. Fizzy's sending it for us. Abdullah, you okay back there?
Full of fucking washing machine, man.
This tail is crazy as well, but there's too many cars.
They're spoiling the fun. Should we change the server settings, get rid of the traffic?
Cheat code.
Nah, we'll save the cheat codes. I think we've got some gapping to do, brother.
Say that.
It was very progressive power. It was smooth. It almost felt like there was no jerkiness.
No.
Big 4.2 V8. These people on the bikes, crazy.
Yeah.
Like, we're in a car, we're controlled, but on that one pothole, you're done.
You're done. Khalas.
So what suspension are you running right now?
So right now it's on H&R lowering springs with
Okay.
the 10mm spacers. And that's pretty much it with it.
So we're really judging how Audi has set up the car from factory. But I've noticed during that little pull there, the suspension around the corners really made a difference, it being that stiff.
Same with the spacers, makes the car a lot more stable as well.
I mean, it's already a wide car, isn't
If you
it?
look at this.
This is chock-a-block, man. They're Recaro leather seats from factory.
Yeah.
They're very comfortable. They hug your lats nicely. I feel like I'm just enjoying the view. And they're electrically moving forward and backward, everything. It's a really nice spec.
I'm just thinking the person that bought this in 2004 into the dealership.
He was the man.
He was the man.
Give him a rev, bro. Come on, tell him to move. Beautiful. Do you get many electric bikes around here, like Surons and stuff?
Yeah, you see bare goodies on that, man.
Okay.
they don't
Flying about.
they don't give a shit. Feds are right behind them. They're like this.
These men are just out here. Right, yo.
Oh, he's gapping it up. We're getting gapped up by pedestrians, boys. What's going on? I think we need to join a new server.
Yeah.
Tables took us up. Okay, lifted. Got another one.
Don't want to take off yet, mate.
Yeah.
I'll take the Audi Airlines.
Abdul, who do you think built all these fences here?
Fucking slaves, man.
This is the thing about the UK, the roads are so tight in the fact that everything was built for horses back in the day. It's a very unique driving situation that takes a lot of driver skill to be able to handle.
They're like those fat Americans, man.
They've got 7-lane highways just cutting in between, like jumping the UK B road back in, you'll have no chance, you'll go off the edge of the corner. Yeah.
But use your horn.
Yeah, it's true. It's
Let
true.
him know.
Come on, Tom, he's directing everyone. He looks pretty pissed off, but he's doing it.
You got traffic warden here, mate.
Absolute scenes going on today. I think it's the women's fault, bro. They can't drive for shit, and this what happened.
Always the fucking woman, man.
You can't get past us in your back end. You move back and get your back end in there. Fucking hell. I don't go on, sorry. Come on. I apologise, right? Come on.
She's a woman, bro. You gotta realise this.
Go round and then straighten up. Go in there. Straighten up. Come on. Fucking hell.
Do you think Tom dabbles in a bit of the white stuff? He is fuming.
Careful.
He's having the time of his life.
What's going on here, bro?
It doesn't initially hit you, but once it's building that pressure, it
Yeah.
keeps going through the full rev
Literally.
range.
So like at 4,000 RPMs, you just keep going after
Definitely. If you keep it in the power band,
that. Yeah.
it's very responsive. But it gripped up
Yeah.
very well on that launch.
And it's on budget tyres.
Testament to the Quattro systems. Abdul, what's going on?
Fucking traffic, man. Women. All fucking women, man.
We got some movements. We got some movements.
Don't stop getting confused before. Fucking hell. Fuck. Well, we wouldn't move otherwise.
No, but you don't need, you can just speak.
You can't speak because they don't listen. Wolf, I fucking can because we go nowhere.
Listen to me. Shut
Come
up.
on, watch yourself.
I'm sorting it out. Go away.
Sort it out, go sort it out.
I'm sorting out my husband's van. So shut your mouth then.
You've been
I'm
doing it. I
pissing him
wouldn't-
out. I don't need you
Right,
to
thank
help
you.
me. Go away.
Thank you, but you wouldn't move if I didn't do it.
Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. It's good, man.
That's it. Fucking hell, we got past that test. Get go.
Harry and Harry's fucking smashing it, mate.
Move it. Move it. Fucking hell.
Oh, he's in an ST.
That's gotta be done, else we go fucking nowhere. Fuck me. We've got to get a fucking wagon down there, pal. Fuck's sake. Hey, but I tell you what, I got it fucking moved.
Fucking sick guy. Let's go.
Fucking nowhere. Nowhere, that split ass bitch. I'm doing it. Get in your fucking van.
Get a fucking move on, man. Get him on, bro.
Wagon through there. Get out of fucking doing it.
No, we can get that. Absolute scenes going on today in Mexico, boys. See, this is why we send it in the night time, because then you don't have to deal with all of this. But we loaded a daytime level for you just to change up the scenery. Appreciate the beautiful sunlight on our skin.
Shut up, man. Fucking film, man.
Right, time to make up the lost time, boys.
Let's go.
Yeah, this car's fun to drive.
just to be smooth with it, you have to rev match it.
I see.
If you just drop it like that, it's just going to be so jerky. And with it being an old car, it's not really great for it, you know what I mean?
So you have to be a real driver to be able to pilot this car.
100%.
Else you're just going to damage it. But yeah, everybody's just jammed in the right lane. I think driving tests need to be stricter. And I think mandatory, you have to do motorway discipline driving. There's no etiquette. Like, look at what's going on.
Yeah.
This encourages yobbo behaviour. Exactly what we're talking about. You sit in the right lane going slightly faster. This is really where the car's meant to shine.
Yeah. On the motorway, it pulls through any gear.
That looks cool, doesn't it?
I want to put my feet in now. Not ankles.
Yo, yo.
Man's got a different.
It's the end of the video now, so this is where we're going to introduce something new to the channel. We've got our burnout score.
Yeah, but
We measure it out of 50, we start with the acceleration. You know what? I'm feeling generous, I'll give it a 6.
yeah.
Handling, it was alright, I'd say 6.2, definitely above average. Looks, I think it looks pretty good, we'll give that a 6.5.
Slippery.
Sound, that's where it really shines. You know, that big V8, gonna give that a 7.
Yeah.
Vibe, that's how it makes us feel. How are we feeling about the vibe?
It's good, man.
Good, I'll give that a solid 6.
Yeah.
So it's out of 50, can you do the quick maths on that please?
Shit, that's 32.5.
And driver level, hood stick, certified.
Yeah, that's good. That's sick. What are you, man?
Abdul, what are you doing? Get back in the car.